It's time for Car versus Car Contest. Every week, 3 contestants will compete and show off their car in 90-second videos for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
This is my 2009 Pontiac G8. A little history. The Pontiac G8 came from Australia and was branded the Holden Commodore. It's an Australian muscle car. Yeah, that's right, it's a muscle car from Australia. How cool is that? The Holden symbol is actually pretty cool, so take a look at it. The Pontiac G8 was built from 2008 to 2009. Pontiac stopped production of all their vehicles in 2010 due to bankruptcy. The Pontiac G8 was built to compete with the Dodge Charger, another 4-door sports sedan. This G8, and like all of them, have the same body design. Besides the GXP, it has a different front bumper. That's pretty much about it. The G8s came with rear-wheel drive platforms and 2 different transmissions and engines. This one consists on the V6 model. The other one's V8 and a 6-speed transmission. This one consists of a 5-speed transmission. It's pretty awesome, and it definitely has a lot of get up and go. The Pontiac G8 is an amazing vehicle, and they're pretty rare to find. If you ever see one, you should definitely take a look. The interior I'm about to show you here in a minute is pretty nice, all leather and premium packages. Onto the engine. Here is a little glimpse of the engine. This engine produces 256 horsepower and 248 pounds of torque. It's pretty good for a V6. Here is the interior of the Pontiac G8. The G8 consists of 2 bucket seats in the front, which hold you in place and also keep you very comfy for long rides. The stitching in leather is very nice looking and looks more sporty than anything. On the back, you have 2 subwoofers behind the headrest and a table that folds down in the middle for 2 guests. It seats up to 5 people and it's pretty comfy. Not bad, family friendly, and yet fun to drive. This is the last of the brand. This is the Pontiac G8.
Hey, what's up guys? Kevin McMullen here, and behind me is my 1994 Toyota Supra twin-turbo 6-speed. It's been converted to single turbo. I purchased this car back in January, and it was kind of a basket case. There was a lot of issues with this car. It was originally black, but somebody had painted it white. There was a horrific body kit on it, ugly wheels. The interior was mostly missing. The little bit of interior that was in there was torn to pieces. It had an old style Garrett GT42 turbo. And I went ahead and replaced all of that. I went with the Precision 7675 turbo. I got rid of the wheels and ran the Weld Racing wheels on the car, had the car repainted black, redid the interior. Now the car is making 573 horsepower at 15 PSI, as you'll see now. This car should make around 1,000 horsepower when the boost is turned up, which is something I may get into. But honestly, in that horsepower range with this weight of a car, it feels great on the street. And with these wheels, you have traction the whole time. These cars are really fun. This is my 9th Supra. I absolutely love these cars. And if you guys are at all interested in these cars, you can check out my YouTube channel. It's just Kevin McMullen. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for checking out my car.
This video is about my 2007 Corvette C6 with the C51 packet, which gets you the upgraded suspension and upgraded brakes. As we can see, it's sitting right around 39,000 miles in this 6-liter LS2 stock. As we can see, the car is in great shape. We come out to the back, you will see that we have the smoke headlights, the Borla exhaust system, which makes it sound pretty good. Now let's move into the interior. As we can see, we got the red interior, which looks pretty nice. We got the glass roof. Now let's jump in real quick. You got your push to start button. Starts right up. Since this is a 3LT packet, you get your heated seats, you get your memory seats, and your heads-up display over there, which you can change the modes: street mode, track 1, and my favorite track 2. It's a 6-speed transmission, really good. Like I said, it's sitting right around 40,000 miles. I've never had any kind of issues with this car. It has pretty good space in the trunk. Some people are actually pretty surprised. The story behind this car is that on the year that I was born, 1994, my parents bought a brand new Corvette CR1 white with red interior. So when I got the chance of looking at this car, I couldn't resist. Let me show you an exhaust clip.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember, to have your car shown here and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.